Hi. Today we will see how to simply copy-paste a text from an image or a video. Open Google and search Copy Fish extension. Click this Chrome Web Store link. On this page, click the Add to Chrome button. Click the Add Extension button. Once the extension has been installed, you will see such a page. Close it. I'm on the Chrome browser right now. Click this extension's icon. You will see the Copy Fish extension listed. Click this three dots menu icon. And click this Desktop Text Capture Instant option. Now go to Google and search for some images with text. I'm searching for nice quotes images. I will try to copy the texts from these images. First I will select the extension. And then simply copy-paste any text that I want. There you go. The text has been copied. Now, let's try copying some text from a YouTube video. I'm on the YouTube right now. Let's try to copy the text from these YouTube video thumbnails. There you go. The text has been copied. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.